Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about something which is very interesting for you, and I don't think a lot of you would have heard about it, and this would be the first time listening about it and learning about it. So there's a division of magic called as chaos magic. You can also Google about it to know more. There are a lot of great books written about it. Phil Hines is one of them, is one of the author. There are a lot of books which have been written in more detail about it. There are Okay, to start out, what is chaos magic? Okay, this is also known as white magic, and this is not your traditional form of magic. Okay, this is more result oriented, which is kind of reliant on your trust and your subconscious mind. So you can say that this is very similar to law of attraction. Obviously, it is based on law of attraction, but it is still a technique that is followed, which uses some ritualistic procedure, but it doesn't emphasize on the ritual. The rituals can be different for every person. Like, for example, I'll teach you a very basic form of chaos magic today. So the process that I will do for this might be different for someone else. Like, I'm gonna tell you more about sigil magic today. So the sigil technique that I teach you might be different for some other person. The exact steps that I follow might not be the steps that someone else follows. Okay. So this is very result oriented magic. There is also this belief in chaos magic that whenever you start following any procedure for chaos magic, you should always have a chaos magic diary. Uh, so what you do is, for every sigil that you create, you forget about it. You would obviously forget about it because you will start at a simple thing. You will not start with the goal of earning $1 million or something. You will start with some basic, extremely basic. Imagine eating your favorite fruit, which is not available in this season. Okay, or seeing a lime green color car. Okay, this lime green color car might not be relevant to your life, but it will still prove to you that how effective this magic technique is. Okay, so I'll start out and I'll show you what this sigil magic is about. I'll show you the exact steps what to do. All you need for doing a sigil magic is a plain piece of paper. I'm going to use this paper and I'm going to write what my desire is. Okay, so I'll always write it in the present tense. I'll show you how I'll write it in the present tense. Okay. For example, I'll write, today I ate a mango. Mango is rare in this winter season, so I'll write about eating a mango. Today I ate a mango. Okay. You can have more simpler things also. It need not be something which is completely not at all relevant in your life. See, I use sigil magic to manifest simple things in my life. For more goal oriented things which is related to wealth, career, or even health for that matter, I use more complex manifesting practices. I wouldn't call them complex, but I would say they are way more effective according to me. But see, if you want something simple, like you want $30 or 300 rupees for the weekend, you can use sigil magic for it. Sigil magic, I'll tell you, is one of the most effective ways of manifesting any dream that you have. Okay. So I wrote here, today I ate a mango. I'm going to go ahead and cut out all the vowels from this and all the repeated text, as in if I have written T twice, here it's T once and there's T a second time. I'll cut out T the second time, and I'll cut out all the vowels as well. So O, A, I, A, E, A, O, all these will be cut out. I'll cut it out and I'll show you again. First I removed all the vowels. Now I'll remove all the repeated letters. Okay. T T Y M N G. So this is what I get at the end. Okay, I repeated this a second time. T D Y M N G. Okay, now I'm supposed to create a sigil here. A sigil is an art or a drawing which is which should seem magical and which should be derived from these. For me, sigil always represents a circular diagram. It might be different for you, but I feel that if I create a circular diagram, that has the power to hold more magic than anything else. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and draw this. Okay. Okay, so this is the sigil that I created. I'll fold these corners out as well. Okay, this is the sigil that I created. I don't know how magical it seems. I'm bad at drawing as well, but so forgive me for this. But this seems magical enough for me. If you can create more beautiful diagrams, if you are a better artist than me, then that's even better for you. So what we do is we created the sigil here. Now the next step is charging this sigil. Okay, this is your sigil. So how do you charge this sigil? There are numerous methods to charge this sigil. You can Google this up, how to charge sigils. There are numerous methods that different magicians use. But what I will do is, my method is concentrating on this sigil for at least a minute or two, closing my eyes, concentrating on this diagram itself. You can also close your eyes and forget about this image and not look at this image, and that is also a way of charging the sigil. Okay, so this sigil that I created, now I'll fold it off. I'll concentrate on it for a minute or two. I'll fold it off, and what I like doing is how to give away these sigils, like what to do with this, like where do I keep this. Either I collect a lot of sigils, I put them in a box and forget about them. There are also methods where I have like some people believe that if you put them on the ground, if you bury them in the ground, your desire grows, in the sense it can go beyond your initial desire itself. Like if I want to manifest $100 or at 1,000 rupees, it can go beyond and continuously bring me $1,000 or $100 every month. So isn't that magical? So that's what white magic is all about. You can also burn this sigil. There's no harm in whatever technique you use. Try this sigil magic. Let me know. Start with a simple desire, okay? Sigil magic believes in one very important concept, is doing it. You can watch thousands of videos related to sigil magic, but it won't be effective till you do the work. You create your sigil, charge your sigil, dispose of your sigil in any way that you like. All the best, guys. I hope you guys go ahead and try this. I'll talk more about chaos magic in my in other videos. There's also a concept called shoveling of sigils. This concept is related to using sigil for a bigger goal. Okay, so in this method, we use a lot of sigils, we charge them up, and we give it out to the universe. Chaos magic is nothing to be scared of. It can do no harm to you. Do not have any kind of negative thought about it. This is not your traditional magic techniques which can harm others. This is first thing, this is called as white magic. This is not your black magic. This is extremely result oriented. This is part of or it derives the concept from law of attraction itself. So go ahead and give it a try. and let me know how it works for you. This is one of the simplest and the most effective form of magic that I can think of. I use it on a very regular basis, at least twice a week, and it always works out for me. So go ahead and do try it. And I hope you have a great year ahead. 2020 welcomes you all, and all your dreams will come to reality this year. I promise you that. Thank you so much.